Get ready for some exhilarating drone racing action. We recently took the incredibly agile DJI NEO to the Hornsby Electric Model Flying Club, HEMFC, for a day of high-speed fun, and we've captured all the best moments right here. Watch as pilots push the DJI NEO to its limits around the club's scenic field at Fagan Park in Galston, Sydney. The NEO's lightweight 135-gram design and sport mode capabilities make it the perfect craft for zipping through the course, performing tight turns, and battling it out for the fastest lap. It's a fantastic showcase of what this compact drone can do in the hands of skilled pilots. The Hornsby Electric Model Flying Club is a community of like-minded enthusiasts who love to build and fly electric model aircraft. Located inside the eastern boundary of Fagan Park, the club boasts a spacious 100-metre runway that is 4 metres wide. While the club is known for its social and stress-free atmosphere without formal competitions, our members couldn't resist a little friendly rivalry with the DJI NEO.